Powder rooms are one of my favorite spaces of all time to design because clients are not afraid to go above and beyond and be extravagant or bold or creative in them. In this particular powder room, my client sourced a beautiful hutch from an antique shop in London, and that came with this really unique marble top, and then we paired it with accents from Kohler here, which is a beautiful hand artisan sink that has both gold and silver accents, and then a wall-mounted faucet in that same brassy tone. One other piece that's a really, really neat feature in here is the chandelier. It just completely glitters and makes this space unique and creative and absolutely stunning. Our carpenters are really the best. As you can see, they did all of this beautiful wainscoting and panel detail to really make this room set off from every other space in the house. A very simple paint color was chosen for the entire room for the purpose of allowing the shadow lines and the moldings to stand out without being overwhelming, allowing the chandelier and the sink and the furniture piece to really pop.